Mathematics, science, and technology have been upgraded allies to ensure survival over time. But can you imagine what has been the impact of mathematics, science, and technology in the human's life? Over time, humanity has changed its environment, considering its own interests, trying to eliminate threats. All this has been possible thanks to the use of mathematics, science, and technology, because with them, we have been able to build and rebuild our world. We have even changed ecosystems to ensure our existence, satisfying our needs and prioritizing our comfort. Technology has had a lot of to do with this. There are 8 basic technological areas with which we have made great changes: agriculture, materials, manufacturing, energy source, energy use, communication, information processing, and health technology. In this video, I'm gonna talk a little about agriculture. Humanity used to be nomadic, which led us to hunt and recollect our food. With the passage of time, we become sedentary to domesticate animals and grow plants. That helped us to maintain large populations, but it was only the first step. We learned to take care of the crops by sowing, cultivating, weeding, watering, and fertilizing. We use animals to facilitate our everyday jobs, but it didn't stop there, because we tried to go further. We learned to modify the ways of life. At first, they could control the reproduction only by choosing which of the animals and plants reproduce, to make combinations of the natural variety of characteristics to improve the domesticity, resistance, and productivity of plant and animal species. Advance in science and technology allowed us to use modern genetics to increase natural variability in plant species by using radiation to produce mutations, so that there are more options for selective breeding for stronger crops. At present, scientists are learning how to modify genetic material of organisms, making it possible that the genes can be changed from one organism to another organism. In addition, another fact that with technology has revolutionized are agricultural markets, since now it's faster to transport and easier to preserve them. One of the main challenges that the human has faced is the control of animals and plant pests. The extensive use of insecticides, herbicides, and fungicides has considerably increased useful agricultural production, but has had its repercussions, harming organism and environment. In addition to the fact that the effectiveness of these products might decrease, has organisms developed resistance. Today, a more harmonious use of technology with the environment is being explored. This work involves the careful design and use of chemicals, as well as smarter crop diversification. Now, you can tell me some examples of agriculture in your environment. In my environment, there are corn crops, onion, lettuce, beans, broccoli, tomato, chili, cucumber, pea, grape, watermelon. Although there are still rudimentary ways to produce these foods, there are many ways to get a large-scale production crops. Some modern and technological, and some more rudimentary. Depending how it's done in your context, please describe what is the process to get a large-scale production crop. You can ask it to someone who knows about agriculture. Agriculture is a very important sector of human life, since the food and substances of millions of people depend on it. That's why we have paid special attention from the perspective of mathematics, science, and technology for its development to achieve a level of food production that is of quality but also in quantity, since we must obtain food for the entire population, promoting the optimal development of agriculture.